Over the last couple of years, the Miraisha program has really grown and really built up and in capacity and in many more different countries. I mean, here we are today in Nigeria. Obviously, educational collaborations like the one that we're having with PEFTI, we've already done a couple. So one in Ghana with the National Film and Television Institute, NAFTI, and also one in Kenya with Kenyatta University.
The reason why we've chosen PEFTI is because PEFTI is a renowned organization for filmmaking and production. They bring forth a lot of young talented people and develop them in the filmmaking industry.
I'm here at the PEFTI Film Institute in Nigeria to really help to educate and reinforce the knowledge and understanding of the students here by producing a number of workshops that's really helping to improve their skills so that they can take the skills that they learn here on top of what they learn naturally from PEFTI so that they can get an even better career.
All of our workshops are very much open to a whole variety of different people within the industries, professionals, from the freelance community, from production houses, right through to students from other universities, other institutes. Basically anybody that's interested in film and photography are more than welcome to come and join us during our collaborative weeks.
This week we're celebrating a lot. First off, thanks to this workshop, we have a student equipment ratio of 1:1. Which is brilliant. So they're able to practice everything they're learning as they're learning it.
I got to understand things that I did not know before. So this year collaboration is a good one for me.
I feel like there's been a lot of change, a great advancement, and it's definitely changing the narrative of what we see Nollywood to be and what the film industry can be in the future.
And this is the second time I'm having this opportunity to learn something new, and it has really helped me in business. It has helped me to have a way to create new content in unique ways.
It's been really good seeing the students' appreciation and enthusiasm for all the workshops and the talks that have been taking place during the course of the week. And I'm really excited about how they're going to take their understanding from this week into their careers after PEFTI.
The collaboration between Canon and PEFTI is really amazing to the students, especially to me, because it helps me build my confidence, especially when I'm on the job, how to handle, what to do, what not to do. And now I have more knowledge about the cameras and the lenses. It's really built my experience as a filmmaker.
Technically, we've been using Canon for a while now, and we had no full knowledge about it. We're getting it straight from the professionals this time.
Canon as a brand itself believes in innovation, believes in developed talent and growing people. So for us, we see the future of Africa, the future of the world in the young people. So they are the leaders of tomorrow. And if we start to grow them and to encourage them from this young age, it's going to go a long way in establishing the country and the globe in general.